Finally arrived in Etendeka Lodge. I am currently working with Electoral Commission of Namibia. My goodness, this place is so beautiful, and the owner of the place is so kind. Like, he offered breakfast, tea, and all that. I'm so excited. Let me just show you. This video is going to be about lodge hopping because I'm moving from lodge to lodge. Okay, I'm not sleeping there, mind you. I'm not sleeping there. I'm still busy registering people. But I can't wait to share the experience with you guys. It's so beautiful. So stay tuned. I think I'm gonna do 2 parts because today we are 5 lodges and tomorrow will be different lodges. Okay, you'll know what I'm talking about the moment I start showing you guys. So stay tuned. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, please share the video with your friends, relatives, so they watch the video and the YouTube algorithm will boost it only if you happen to like the video. So stay tuned.
Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your soul. Listen, no.
Just do it.
First of all, welcome
You gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. I don't believe her, she said she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on the PJ. Yo, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water, homie, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Suicide door, brand new bag. College girls give me in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money on it, you love, hey. They hate and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, got me tripping. Cut the coupe, hold the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. A rockstar, pack up doors, tipping balls, hey. Dog, finish, dogs, hey. I was 15, I said, with my dog, hey. Now I feel nauseous. Put up a stick and I hop on a plane, still in my wallways. This so risky, I gotta be gifted, he blessed me with fortune and fame. I remember for 50, I couldn't go back empty, I knew I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change, I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one telling my brother when police is gotta detain.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you.
are currently at Hoanib skeleton camp. Oh my goodness, it's so breathtaking. We are coming from Hoanib Valley camp. The service is so beautiful. They sang, they offered us, oh goodness, I just can't explain it. But this is our last point for today. We'll be flying back to Sesfontain and then tomorrow we'll start off, and my phone is about to go off. I just want to show you the surrounding. I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I am, because I'm just flying. I'm so excited. But this is so beautiful, my goodness. Let me just show you.